the laws of indices. Now I want to look into today. So I go one more now pay attention as I bring out the entire laws of indices. Generally, now 7 laws dey, but one dey embedded in one. So in summary, now 6 laws now dey functional. And na those 6 laws me wan give us today. So number 1, they call am multiplicative index law. Multiplicative index law. Now they call that one. Number 1. And in that law, if you get a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y, as long as this base na a and this one na a, the law say make you add up the powers. That is all. So we go add up these powers now. X plus y. That is the end of the first law of indices. The second law, now they call divisional index law. Divisional index law. In the case of this law, maybe you get a raised to power x divided by a raised to power y. As long as their bases are the same, you go just pick one of them and you subtract the powers. That is all. You subtract the powers. That be divisional index law. Number 3, we get one where they call product power law. Product power law. In the case of product power law, maybe you get a raised to power x all to the power of y. You go times these powers together. So it will come be power xy. The fourth law, they call that one negative index law. In the case of negative index law, look at it, negative index law. In the case of negative index law, for instance, maybe you get a raised to power minus x. A raised to power minus x. Anytime you get situations like this, the minus as an index will give you reciprocal or what we call inverse of the function or of the expression itself. So it will become 1 over a raised to power x. Remember, say this minus where the power now be negative. Now him form this 1 over. Waiting call remain a raised to power x. Now so that one be. The fifth law now. In the case of the fifth law, maybe I go write it. In the case of the fifth law, where you have zero index law. Zero index law. In this case, let's say you get a raised to power 0. Anything to the power of 0 now 1 now it be. Anything at all to the power of 0 now 1. Why? There is a rule that anything that raised to power 0 divide itself. So a raised to power 0 is the same thing as a raised to power 1 minus 1. Are you seeing it now? Which is a raised to power 1 divided by a raised to power 1. And anything that divides itself just like this gives you 1. It does here. Now make. And the last law, which is the fractional index law. In the case of the fractional index law, maybe we get a raised to power x over y. Now the denominator, they determine the nature of the root. In the case of y, as denominator of the index, it will give you, can you see it? Y root. Now it will give you. So waiting there now a be the main value. What would they consider? It go there inside the box. So the power now, you go open bracket, close and 9 the x, you go come put on top. These are the 6 laws of indices. Meanwhile, you go watch out for problems and solution under indices. Indices to get many problems. And now the past WAEC questions, NECO questions, JAM questions, I go from pick from, take solve all the examples under indices. Thank you and watch out for more.